Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be coloring this raw Indian hair. I'm going to show you guys how I do everything from start to finish, and of course this is the final look, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be coloring this raw Indian wig here. She's about 18 inches and I'm going to be doing a lot of ombre, back combing, balayage technique on her. I just want her ends to be much lighter than what they are. This wig is for me, so this one is not going to be for a client this time. We'll see. I don't know. I change my mind all the time, so we'll see if I will put this one up on my website for sale, but I'm just going to be coloring this one today, so stay tuned. I'm not going to be talking too much through this video because I just want to get this color done and complete, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm back. I only have 2 foils left to do. It took me all of 50 minutes to do everything. And so now I'm just going in and I'm gonna do these last 2 and then I'm gonna check the back, and hopefully I don't have to rinse out the back first and then rinse out the front, because I did different levels of developer throughout her head. So we will see. I'm gonna finish these 2 and then check the back. Alright, so this is the very first foil that I did with a 20 volume developer, and that's what it looks like. Pretty much ready. I'm gonna actually give it about 10 more minutes to process before I rinse it out, so that's perfect timing before my next client gets here. So I'm gonna let that process and then I will let you guys know what it completely looks like, totally combed out, because I did tease the entire wig. So I am going to need to take these foils out, rinse her, and start combing her out from the bottom up, just to bring down that teased hair that I did and blend in this blonde hair, and of course tone her at the end. So I will be back. Alright you guys, so as you can see, my color is completely done. I combed out all the teasing that I did, combed that out, and this is the finished product of the hair, completely combed out, rinsed out. I did not put any toner or anything on the hair yet, but I will in just a second. Let me go ahead and get the toner and show you guys which one I'm going to be using. Okay you guys, so in this mixing bowl I actually mixed 9NB with 9T, which is a chrome color by Shades EQ. I mixed probably about 1 ounce of 9NB with 1/4 ounce of 9T. So definitely go on based on how much hair you're coloring, but that's what I used. Alright, so I let this toner stay on there for a full 20 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse her out and we'll see what she looks like. All right, so this is the finished product of the color. It is amazing. I'm so freaking happy with it. Oh my gosh, I love it. So now I'm gonna put in my duo that I always use, the Bamboo Silk HDO leave-in conditioner, all over the hair. And then I go right on top of it with the Silk Essentials as well. I don't use a ton of it, you guys. Literally like a nickel to quarter size for a whole head. All right, so I just kind of get that all in there. Get down. All right. So now you can either let it air dry or you can blow dry it through. And I'm probably just gonna blow dry it a little bit just so it's not dripping wet, and then I'm probably gonna let it air dry the rest of the time, maybe. We'll see. So I will be back once the wig is completely dry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is how the hair came out. I haven't done anything other than curl her the way that I wanted and cut her. Obviously I have a install video of how I did everything, and you guys can watch that on my channel. I'll probably link it below or somewhere at the end. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be coloring this hair on this raw Indian hair wig that I have here. So thank you guys. Man,